Gold yesterday created a bullish breakout, a small one above this area of resistance, which I have mentioned yesterday, that if the price managed to close the day above this area of small resistance, it will try to move further up, and we can see the price has done just that scenario. Yesterday the candle has made a bullish breakout, continuing moving further higher, and we can see the price was trying to move down slightly, but then the price continued to rise during the day, and we can see the day that has closed above this area of resistance, and we will see on the smaller time frame, on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, we will see how the price has behaved yesterday. We can see that yesterday, after the price started the day, the price formed this bullish breakout and continued to rise in value. The price has returned back down to test the previous resistance on the daily level. This was a daily resistance. Then it is acted as a support level. Price has bounced back up and continued to rise in value. We can see that here the price formed a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, 3386.64, our level that I have mentioned also yesterday. This one is here around the area, which is a small resistance level. We can see 3384 was on the daily level, but on the 4-hour time frame we can see much more clearly which level was that. And especially if we take a look here, the price formed a bullish breakout and then continued to rise in value. This bullish breakout has formed yesterday afternoon, and we can see in the next two time frames, on the 4-hour time frame, the price just returned back down, testing the previous resistance, now acting as a support. The price continued to rise in value. I need to fix this one here because we can see how the price has behaved after forming a bullish breakout. The price has returned back down to test the previous resistance, now acting as a support. So I will move slightly this one here so I can adapt this one to the market conditions, and we can see how this works when the market reacts and also makes a bullish or bearish breakout. We can see how this looks. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame to see how this looks like. Let's move this one, let's turn this one here just a minute slightly, and this one should be right here. Okay, and this will stay here. And on a 1-hour time frame, we'll put this one as a 4-hour time frame visible, because it should be visible, and we can see it is here. And then let's fix this one area, which will be, just a minute, this should not be visible. This should return to the 1-hour time frame only. Okay, this is the one, and let's fix this area around that. It is a demand and supply zone. Let's put this one here. Oh, that's great. Now it's much better, and let's return to the 1-hour time frame to fix this one. That's okay. And then let's fix this one also. Much better. Okay, now let's turn to the 4-hour time frame. Now we can see clearly how the price has formed a bullish breakout, returning back down, testing the previous resistance, now acting as support, and bouncing from the area of support, continue to rise in value. And we can see it has reached already the daily resistance, 3430.98. Now on the 1-hour time frame, we can see how the price has behaved yesterday. The price was going further up, rising in value after returning slightly down. We can see that the price after that continued to rise in value, making a bullish breakout, then testing the previous resistance, now acting as a support. We can see for several hours the price was testing this area. This was also a bearish breakout, targeting the next support level, and then the price finally made a bullish breakout where this candle has closed above this area of these candles. After that, the price continued to rise in value. Just a minute, I need also to fix this one slightly so it is in line with the market conditions. Why I'm doing that? Because we can see after the price makes a bullish breakout, the price returns back down, testing the previous resistance, now acting as support. This was here, this is the wick. So I need to fix this one because I need to adapt to the market conditions slightly, and then I need to also fix this one again. Just to have in mind, you need to adapt to the market conditions each day almost to check the support and the resistance levels which are the levels that the price is respecting. So if the price was respecting in the past this one, but now it has shifted, you need to adapt so you have a proper and also correct levels drawn on the chart. After that, we can see the price continue to rise in value. This one, smaller resistance level, I will check this one, is it correct or not, because it doesn't look very good because it's very close to each other. Maybe if I go in the past, I will see also how this looks in the past to see is the price behaving correctly. Now what I can see, just a minute, this is the level 3396. For now, what I can see, this should be moved slightly up, because we can see why. We have open and close of these two candles here and also the wick, and we have here also the wick here. So this should be right here positioned. This is very good. And after that, just a minute. Let's check also this level 3407. It looks, it should be adapted. What I can see here, this could be right here 3413, but let's check 3407. You can see here 3413. Should it be here? It should be here because we have hit the wick also, this one here and the wick here. So this should be adapted right here around this area. And here it is. Now you can see how I have adapted to the market conditions. So I have proper support and resistance level on the chart. So when the price comes again to those levels, it will respect much more better than it was before this one. And also on the 4-hour time frame, let's fix this one here. And if you take a look in the past, just a minute, I need to fix one. If you take a look in the past, you can see how this 4-hour time frame, which I have just moved slightly, it was respected much better than there it was in the past, when it was right around this one area here. So this is something that you need to follow and also watch closely how the market is reacting. For example, in the past, we can see this is the level that was not respected precisely, and also this one, because it is somewhere in the middle. Much better would be to have a level here and level here, but we can see how the price is respecting that right now, and we will adapt in the future if the price goes against also these levels. Now let's return where we have stopped. Currently the price has reached this area of resistance, making a bullish breakout above the daily, and on the 1-hour time frame it is the same scenario. We can see that. And after that we can see what is the price level visible on the 1-hour time frame above this area. This is the empty area, so I will need to go in the past slightly to go and check how the prices behaved around 3430. Now around 3430, the only one that we can see in the past was this area here. So I will check how the prices behaved around these two levels, and I will put support and resistance levels on the 1-hour time frame. And after that, I will also share the MT4 template for you, so you can also put this one on your PC so you have a precise levels. This will be available only for the premium analysis traders. So feel free to check the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description so you can join. Also, do not forget that I also have a mentorship in the several weeks from now. So feel free to check also the link I will put inside the Telegram, where you can also click and fill up the form. Are you interested or not? Now for the daily, we can see the price is forming a bullish breakout. It is Friday today, so it's very tricky. Why is that? Because the Friday is usually when the day when the traders get out from their trades. Especially we can see for several days the price is rising in value, so this could be also a level where the traders, the buyers, get out and lock their profit before the weekend starts. So this could be potentially that the price returns back down in the afternoon, but slightly we can see the price is trying to move higher to the higher price levels. How the Friday will look like? Well, it's very hard to predict, but it's very important to be cautious because the price is reaching currently the daily resistance, which could also make sell-off, pushing the price down, or also the price could retrace slightly down or even higher. How this will be reacting on the market, we'll see in the afternoon. So most of the trades, if I'm going to make, it will be in before the afternoon. Now what we can expect currently, I am waiting how the price will behave around this area of resistance level on the daily time frame. Will it make a bullish breakout, making a bullish breakout targeting higher price levels, or the price will return back down forming a bearish breakout? Now the daily time frame cannot show too much because we are waiting for the day to close, but inside the day we have a 4-hour time frame and a 1-hour time frame where we can see how the price is behaving. Currently we'll see, will the price manage to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, continue to rise in value, or it will return back down. This is the 4-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame is currently moving higher and higher, targeting higher price levels, and where the price will stop, well, this is something that we need to watch and closely follow the market. So for now I'm waiting outside because of the Friday, and also waiting how the price will react around this area of resistance, and after that we will follow the market. I will also inform the traders inside the premium analysis when there is a bullish or bearish breakout targeting some kind of levels. For example, this was also a bullish breakout, this one here, where the price was moving higher, so the target would be the next resistance level. The stop loss would be just below the breakout candle. So this is one of the ways of trading, and also share the details with the traders with the take profit level, with the stop loss, and also with the entry level. Feel free to check the link below in the description. You can also join and receive these updates. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.